Good morning, students. My name is Mrs. Supriya and I am from Premchand Memorial Public School. Student, I request you all please take out your GK textbook and in that open page number 46. निकाल लिया बच्चे? Today we are doing chapter 29, that is Country's Guard. The Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of the Republic of India. It consists of the Indian Army and Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. Read the clues and match them with their correct answer. अब हमें इन तीनों मिलिट्री फोर्सेस को इनके नेम्स के साथ क्लूज जो भी हमें दिए गए हैं वी हैव टू मैच देम. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद वन. He was the first Indian commander-in-chief of the Indian Army who led the Indian forces on the Western Front during the Indo-Pakistan War of 1947. Who is he? He is General K.M. Karappa. Who is he? General K.M. Kariappa. Got it, student? Now, second one. The rank that comes between Major General and Colonel in the Indian Army. कौन सी रैंक होती है बच्चे? Brigadier, J1, that is Brigadier. Now, he was the Indian Navy officer who served as the third chief of the naval staff and led the Indian Navy in the conflict during the liberation of Goa against the Portuguese Navy. कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा बच्चे? निकाल लिया बच्चे? वेरी गुड. द G1, Vice Admiral R.D. Khatri. Who was he? Vice Admiral R.D. Khatri. Now the fourth one. She was the first woman Air Marshal of the Indian Air Force and the second woman in the Indian Armed Forces to be promoted to a 3-star rank. A1 Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. Who is she? She is Padmavati Bandyopadhyay. Now the fifth one. Indian Army Day is celebrated on, कब मनाते हैं बच्चे हम? 15th January. When we celebrate 15th January. Now the sixth one. He is the Supreme Commander of the Defence Forces of India. Who is he? The President. Now the seventh one. He was the founding member of the Indian Air Force and was also appointed as the first Indian Chief of Air Staff in 1954. Now the B1. Air Marshal Subrata Mukherjee. Good. Now the eighth one. This place is referred to as the world's highest battlefield. Siachen Glacier. Now the ninth one. He was the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal. Who is he? Sam Manekshaw. Who was he? Sam Manekshaw. Now the 10th one. The rank that comes between Group Captain and Squadron Leader in the Indian Air Force. कौन सी रैंक होती है बच्चे? द विंग कमांडर. नाउ स्टूडेंट कम टू पेज नंबर 47. इंडियन रेलवेज. अब रेलवेज की बात करते हैं. इंडियन रेलवेज इज अ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एंड स्टार्ट्स विद ऑपरेटिंग the rail network in India. It is one of the largest and the busiest rail networks in the world. हमारी इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा और बिजिएस्ट रेल नेटवर्क है बच्चे. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन इंडियन रेलवेज. अब कुछ क्वेश्चन दिए गए हैं इंडियन रेलवेज के ऊपर. अब हमें उन्हें बताना है. वी कैन टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम द क्लू बॉक्स. ओके, नाउ Let's first read fact bite. Indian Railways owns the longest railway platform in the world at Gorakhpur station with a length of 1366.33 meters. Now let's start from the one. In which year was Indian Railways nationalized? 1951. कब बच्चे? 1951. Now, which train passes through the maximum number of Indian states? कौन सी बच्चे? हिमसागर एक्सप्रेस. Now, the third one. Indian Railway is divided into dash zones. कितने zones में बटी हुई है? 17. Which was the former name of छत्रपति शिवाजी टर्मिनस यानी CST? क्या था बच्चे? विक्टोरिया टर्मिनस. Now, which train frequently hauled by a steam locomotive is specially designed to promote tourism in Rajasthan? क्या कहते हैं बच्चे उस ट्रेन को हम? पैलेस ऑन व्हील्स. Now the sixth one. Which train connects popular tourist destinations in Karnataka and Goa? The Golden Chariot. Now the seventh one. Which is the oldest running locomotive in the world today? Fairy Queen. Now the eighth one. Which train, popularly known as Hospital on Wheels, provides health care to the rural areas? Lifeline Express. इसका नाम ही ऐसा है बच्चे, Lifeline Express. Now the ninth one. Which is the fastest train in India today, having a maximum speed of 150 km per hour? Bhopal Shatabdi Express. Bhopal Shatabdi Express. Now the 10th one. Which train runs between India and Pakistan? इसका नाम आई होप सबको पता होगा, समझौता एक्सप्रेस. Now student, come to page 31. On the music note, use the options given below to fill in the blanks based on Indian music. हमें इन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है जो कि इंडियन म्यूजिक पर बेस्ड है. लेट्स रीड द फैक्ट बाइट फर्स्ट. द फर्स्ट हिंदी रैप एल्बम वाज ठंडा ठंडा पानी वाज हरिजीत सिंह सहगल, पॉपुलरली नोन एज बाबा सहगल. ये हमारी जो ठंडा ठंडा पानी एल्बम थी वो बाबा सहगल जी ने बनाई थी. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन. डैश वाज पॉपुलरली नोन एज अख्तारी बाय फैजाबादी. She was a noted ghazal singer and sang all her songs in films herself. Who is she? She is Begum Akhtar. Now the second one. A female rag is called, female rag को क्या कहते हैं? Ragini. Now the third one. His original name was Ramtanu Pandey. He was one of the Navratnas at the court of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. We know him as, किसके नाम से जानते थे बच्चे? तानसेन. Now the fourth one. The dash rag is sung to welcome the rains after the scorching heat of the summers. Desh Malha. Now the fifth one. The ragas created by Tansen carry the prefix dash. Mia. Now the sixth one. The dash was the first Carnatic vocalist to receive the Bharat Ratna. MS Subbalakshmi. Now The seventh one, the Dash is the son and disciple of the legendary Sarod player Ustad Hafiz Ali Khan. He introduced the Khayal style on the Sarod. कौन है ये? Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. Now the eighth one, the Dash of the Ustad Allah Rakha was a child prodigy. He gave his first public performance at the age of 7. Ustaz Zakir Hussain. Now the ninth one. Dash is the founder of the National Orchestra of India. He also founded the Kinara School of Music. Pandit Ravi Shankar. Now the 10th one. Dash is a noted music director. He had directed the music of some well-known Hindi films like Rosa, Bombay, Lagan and Guru. A.R. Rahman. Got it, student? Now come to page number 49. Cities and their nicknames. Just like us, a few Indian cities too have nicknames. जैसे हमारे nickname होते हैं ऐसे cities के भी होते हैं. These cities are no strangers and wonders to us, but their names are really unique and resemble the importance of the particular cities. उनके नाम जो हैं उनकी सिटीज़ में जो वंडर्स हैं या तो जो मतलब उनका जो खासियत है उनके नाम पर रखे गए हैं. नेम द सिटीज़ विच आर ऑल्सो नोन बाय द फॉलोइंग नेम्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. लैंड ऑफ ब्लैक डायमंड, आसन सोल, ताज नगरी आगरा, सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ इंडिया बेंगलुरु, सिटी ऑफ पर्ल्स हैदराबाद, गोल्डन सिटी ऑफ इंडिया जैसलमेर, सिटी ऑफ जॉय कोलकाता, रोम ऑफ द ईस्ट बेंगलुरु, सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम्स मुंबई, क्वीन ऑफ द माउंटेन्स मसूरी, स्पिरिचुअल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया वाराणसी, ग्रीन सिटी गांधीनगर, सिटी ऑफ लेक्स भोपाल, संगम सिटी इलाहाबाद, ब्लू माउंटेन्स नीलगिरी, क्वीन ऑफ द अरेबियन सी कोची. Got it, student? Now let's read the fact bite. Mumbai has several nicknames which include City of Dreams, Gateway of India, Financial Capital of India, City of Seven Islands and Hollywood of India. Now come to page number 52, students. Now, awards and honors. Award is a certificate of excellence India provides for valuable citizens with utmost care and dignity, from making films to the service of nation. The achievement awards aim of acknowledging the best. Read the clues and answer the following questions. Now, ये जो questions है awards के बारे में है. अब हमें इनको puzzles को solve करना है. Now first read the fact bite. International Gandhi Peace Prize is given to individual and institution for their contribution towards economic, social and political revolution through non-violence in Gandhian philosophy. The award carries rupees 10 million in cash. Wow. Now the first one. It translates to Jewel of India in English in India's highest civilian award. It is awarded for the highest degrees of national service. What was it? Bharat Ratna. Now the second one. It is second highest civilian honor of India is given for exceptional and distinguished service in any field, including service rendered by the government servants. Padma Vibhushan. Now the third one. It is the highest award for military service. Paramveer Chakra. Now the fourth one. The award given by Government of India to recognize outstanding achievement in national sport. Arjuna Award. Now the fifth one. It is Indian military decoration awarded for valor, courageous action or self-sacrifice away from the battlefield. What was this? Ashok Chakra. Now the sixth one. It is India's highest award in cinema given annually by the Government of India for life contribution to Indian cinema. Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Got it, student? Now come to page number 53. Here some questions are given. We have to answer them. What is the name of the elephant which serves as the mountain of Lord Indra? Sorry, serves as the mount of Lord Indra. He is Aravat. Rabindranath Tagore Jana Gana has been adopted as India's national anthem. How many stanzas of the said song were adopted? Only the first stanza. Pungi is a dance form related to the state of Himachal Pradesh, in which festival are boat races a special feature. Onam, who was known as the Iron Man of India, जिनका स्टैचू भी बना है बच्चे, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. नाउ द सिक्स्थ वन, द वर्ड्स सत्यमेव जयते inscribed below the base plate of the emblem of India are taken from Mundak Upanishad. Now the seventh one, when was the Indian Navy Act passed? In 1927. Where was the first post office opened in India? Kolkata. Now the ninth one, which Indian state is popularly known as God's own country? Kerala. Now the 10th one, which is the largest public sector bank in India? State Bank of India. Got it, student? Now come to page number 54. Now words forever. The words of some famous people become eternal and leave a lasting impression on the minds and souls of millions of people. Read the following quotations and try to recall the names of those who said it. अब हमें रिकॉल करना है जिन्होंने ये वर्ड्स कहे हैं. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन, बी फेथफुल in small things because it is in them that your strength lies. Who said these? Mother Teresa. Now, life is no brief candle to me. It is a sort of splendid torch which I have got to hold up for the moment, and I want to make it burn as brightly as possible before handing it on to future generations. Who said this? George Bernard Shaw. Now the third one. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. किसने कही थी ये बातें? महात्मा गांधी. Now, nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Who said this? Henry Ford. Now the fifth one. I came, I saw, I conquered. Who said this? Julius Caesar. Now, sixth one. When you do the common things in the life in an uncommon way will command the attention of the world. किन्होंने कही थी बच्चे? George Washington. We make a living by what we get. We make a life by what we give. Winston Churchill. Now the eighth one. Our bodies are our gardens. Our wills are the gardeners. किन्होंने बोला था बच्चे ये? William Shakespeare. Now the ninth one. To keep your face towards change and behave like free spirits in the presence of faith is strength undefeatable. Who said this? Helen Keller. Now, character is like a tree and reputation like its shadow. The shadow is what we think of it. The tree is the real thing. Who said this? Abraham Lincoln. Got it, student? Now, come to page number 55. Now, singers and groups. Many singers and musical groups have helped to promote and popularize different kinds of music all around the world. Read the clues given below and name the singers and groups. Now, the first one. A pop and rock band from Liverpool, England, primarily consisting of John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison and Ringo Starr. The Beatles. किसका ग्रुप था बच्चे? Beatles. an American heavy metal band formed in 1981 in Los Angeles. The band has won 7 Grammy Awards and has had 5 albums peak at number 1 on the Billboard 200, making them the only band in history to have 5 consecutive number 1 albums. Who were they? Metallica. Now the third one. Referred to as the king of pop, his albums have been some of the world's best selling records like Off the Wall, Thriller, Dangerous, and History. Michael Jackson. Now the fourth one. This musical band originated as subgenre of old-time music. It spotlights a group of acoustic string instruments, sometimes even to the exclusion of vocals. Who they are? Strings. Now, the fifth one, an English rock band from Cambridge. They were known for philosophical lyrics, rock music, and elaborate light shows. The Dark Side of the Moon, Wish You Were Here, and The Wall are some of their famous albums. They are Pink Floyd. Now the sixth one. One of Pakistan's most popular rock bands. It was formed in 1990 by guitarist, songwriter, and medical doctor Salman Ahmad. It comes in the genre of Sufi rock. Junoon. Now, the seventh one. This band was among the first to bring rock culture to India. They mix electric guitar with traditional instruments like tabla, dholak, and sitar. Euphoria group. Now, the eighth one. His top selling album is Candle in the Wind. Name this famous singer. Elton John. Got it, student? Now, come to page number 56. Now, what's up life? An autobiography is a person's own essay about his life journey. Now, we have to match the following autobiographies with their writers by writing the correct answer options in the boxes. Now, my experiments with truth. Who wrote this? Mahatma Gandhi. The road ahead. Bill Gates. Faster than light. Usain Bolt. The Diary of a Young Girl. Annie Frank. A Brief History of Time. Stephen Hawking. Wings of Fire. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Long Walk to Freedom. Who wrote this? Nelson Mandela. My Autobiography. Charlie Chaplin. Mein Kampf. Mein Kampf. Adolf Hitler. Moon Walk. Michael Jackson. The Story of My Life. Helen Keller. My Days. R.K. Narayan. Clear, student? Now come to page number 57. Before going to page number 57, let's read the fact bite. Moonwalk, aptly named after Jackson iconic dance move, traces Michael's journey to international superstardom, tracing his humble beginnings. The book recounts the epic hit record Thriller in 1982 and how it shows topping success changed Michael's life all over. Now come to student page number 57. Now must see. Statues are important part of human history and culture. They represent sense of the greatest and oldest artifacts of the world. Read the clues and choose the correct letter from the pictures which best describe that statue. जो स्टैचू को अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब करता है. Now we have to match them. Let's read first fact bite. A gift from France to US, Statue of Liberty holding a torch over New York since 1886. Originally, the statue was bronze colored, but eventually color has changed. पहले ये bronze color में था, now the color has been changed. Now the first one. One of the most famous sculptures of Michelangelo, this nude statue is made of marble and represents the biblical hero David statue. Now, second one. A bronze sculpture of man sitting on a marble pedestal. The statue represents a man in a pensive mood, possibly struggling with an internal conflict. The thinker statue. This statue of Roman goddess of freedom bearing of a torch, a tabula ansata with broken chains lying at her feet is a signal for receiving immigrants and visitors arriving from a foreign land. Statue of Liberty. Monolithic statues characterized by their significantly large heads and protruding lips. These are considered to be their exalted ancestors. Christ, sorry, the Moai statue. The bronze statue depicts the relationship between man, nature, and religion and shows Buddha sitting cross-legged on a lotus. Tiantan Buddha statue. It is the most of the famous statue and is a moral symbol in judiciary. This statue is regarded as an entity that balances the scales of truth and equality. Lady Justice. The statue of Jesus Christ at Rio de Janeiro is the largest Art Deco statue all over the world and is the fifth largest statue of Jesus. The statue is located at the top of Corcovado Mountain. Christ the Redeemer. A gigantic statue made from the bedrock of Giza Plateau. It is the world's largest statue that is made from a single stone. The Great Sphinx. The Great Sphinx. Now, student, come to page number 58. The smileys. A smile is a figure of speech that compares two different things in an interesting way. Here are few well-known smiles. Read the complete them with the help of clues. We have to complete with the help of given clues. As cute as a kitten. As bright as a button. As innocent as lamb. As sweet as sugar, as clear as crystal, as flat as pancake, as hungry as bear, as pale as death, as sharp as razor, as sour as vinegar, as tough as old boots, as warm as toast, as sturdy as oak, as straight as an arrow, as silent as the grave. Now let's read the fact bite. Smileys can make our language more descriptive and enjoyable. Writers, poets and songwriters make use of smileys often to add depth and emphasize what they are trying to convey to the reader or listeners. Smiles can be funny, serious, mean or creative. I hope student आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा जो भी हमने अभी जीके में किया है. आई नो आज हमने थोड़ा फास्ट किया बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स ड्यू टू कोरोना हमारे पे बहुत कम टाइम बचा था. सो वी हैव टू फिनिश इट ऑफ समहाउ, इसलिए वी हैव डन लिटिल बिट फास्ट. बट आई नो यू ऑल आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट एंड जीके में क्लूज तो दिए ही होते हैं बच्चे, सो स्पेलिंग्स में भी कोई मिस्टेक्स नहीं होंगी. Okay student, what you have to do, you have to start learning your syllabus because exams are coming soon and try to finish it up your work. All the best student for your given work.